Welcome to another video. In this video, I will be taking you through the Qhash website, the name Zcash, Ethereum Classic, and Vertcoin website. So let's get started with the Liquid website. Qhash is a crypto token that is designed to be used for all services provided by the Liquid platform and exchange platforms as explained in this content. Now let's go to Namecoin. Namecoin is a decentralized open source information registration and transfer system based on the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Now Zcash. Zcash is the first open, permissionless cryptocurrency that can fully protect the privacy of transactions using zero-knowledge cryptography. Now the Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is an open source peer-to-peer computing platform based on blockchain technology and the original Ethereum code. These links will be in the description down below. Now Vertcoin. Vertcoin is a digital currency that can be sent between people over the internet. Vertcoin stays true to the original version of cryptocurrency. You can click this button to download wallet. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment down below. Don't forget to go to the Weirdcoins website to find more information about Bitcoin.